Hi there, this is Kelly from Kelly's Creative Comforts, and I would just love to show you one of the really cool design positioning features on my brand new Babylock Solaris 2. I'm stitching out the Stitch Delight Dream Big Panel Pack. Whew, that's a lot to say in one go. For a class that I'm going to be doing in the fall. So what I'm doing is stitching out the design and working up several samples ready for the class in the fall. So this particular one that I'm working on right now is plain fabric. There's no panel there, so I don't have the visual of the panel to help with the placement of the designs. It's just plain fabric. There's lots of design positioning options, but this one here absolutely makes it so easy to line things up. I'll show you just how cool this is. All right, so I have my quilt sandwich loaded. I have used the template just to make sure that I have my fabric hooped square and where I want it to be. And then when I'm ready to position, I just turn on the projector. And what it does is it actually shows me the design on the fabric. So I can move that around on the screen and use the actual image of the design to position my embroidery. And I think I need to rotate that one just a tiny little bit. I have the option of rotating 0.1 degree, 1 degree, 10 degree, 90 degrees. I think we'll go 1 degree. And then move it back into position. So there we go. And then once I have it here, I can go and check the rest of the design to make sure that I'm exactly where I want to be. And you can see that I'm right on those lines. And when I'm happy with that, I can just go ahead and start stitching it out. But that has got to be one of the easiest design positioning features ever. Here it is from a different angle, so you can actually see what I'm doing on the screen when I use the projector. So first thing I want to do is to touch this little icon right here, and that turns the projector on. And then once the projector is on, you will see this red box right here, and that's what I can move around. And this part that's inside that box is the part that's actually being projected onto my embroidery. So I can check the points. So in this case, what I want to do is line up these points right here to make sure they're perfect on my hoop. So as you can see, if I need to rotate, I can rotate by 0.1%, 1%, 10%, 90%. I can go in either direction, and if I really mess it up, I have a reset button that will take me right to the beginning again. So as I'm rotating, oh, messed it up, reset. So you really can't go wrong. And then farther down here, there is the movement buttons. There, just change the angle a wee bit again. So down here you have your movement buttons. I can move it up, I can move it down, I can move it diagonally. And of course, the whole time that I'm moving here and using these buttons, I'm watching what is happening on my hoop. So I don't tend to watch the screen when I'm doing this. I'm watching the hoop and watching the projection of the embroidery on my hoop. And again, if I really mess it up, I can also just touch that button and it takes me right back to center and I can start all over again. So the projector is such an easy way to design position. So there you go. That was just a quickie look at one of the design positioning features on the Solaris 2. Check back in. As I get working on this machine, I will have so many more things to show you. If you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell to be notified when more videos become available. This is Kelly from Kelly's Creative Comforts. Bye for now and happy sewing.